This is a fit for a 2013 through 2018 Ford Escape with a bare roof. We've outfitted this vehicle with the Yakima BaseLine CoreBar roof rack system. The system is using the CoreBars, 50 inches in length, the BaseLine towers, and the vehicle-specific BaseLine clip set, which includes the contoured rubber bases and the rubberized metal brackets. This is part number BC190 for the front position. The bars are in a predetermined fixed location, 32 inches from front to rear, center to center. The BC pad and clip set for the rear position is BC191. The maximum weight carrying capacity is 165 pounds, evenly distributed. There is no interference with the full operation of the sunroof when equipped. This product and the full line of Yakima products are available at rackattack.com. Please see the link in our video description for complete details, our pricing, and our promotions.